Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to remove your Windows Defender from your PC. First thing first, we will enter Chrome and we're gonna type Windows Defender Remover, Windows, and we're gonna press enter. We're gonna enter the TechSpot site. We're gonna click on download now. I'm gonna click here and it will be starting, and we're gonna click open and it will be showing us a CMD panel. I'm gonna press or type the Y button. After I press the Y button, it will be shut down. So I will be back for you in a moment. Hello guys, I'm back. As you can see, when we enter the security windows, it cannot open. As well, when we install or download something that the Windows Defender consider as a malware or a virus, it does not erase it or give a notification that is malware or a virus. Thank you guys for watching.